In order for a muscle to move, a nerve impulse must travel down a nerve fiber.
The red strand of candy, this stage represents the end of a nerve. The yellow skittle represents acetylcholine. In the second stage of a muscle contraction, a nerve fiber releases acetylcholine into the synapse, which is the space between a muscle fiber and a nerve fiber. The synapse is located at a neuromuscular junction. Acetylchlorine is a chemical that will trigger the muscle fiber.
In this stage, what you are seeing is a zoomed out view of the synapse. The pink straw represents the edge of a muscle fiber. As the acetylcholine is released, the chemicals will eventually reach the muscle fiber. The muscle fiber has very small receptors that will absorb the chemicals and turn it back into an electric current that travels down deep tubules. Just to keep in mind, in order for the nerve impulse to reach the muscle, it must change from an electric current to muscles to pass the synapse and then look back to the electric current.
After the muscle fiber has received a nerve impulse, it will use the impulse to trigger the sarcoplasmic reticulum. The sarcoplasmic reticulum is a type of endoplasmic reticulum that stores calcium. When activated, it releases calcium into the muscle interior. The white pieces of paper in the stage represent the calcium.
In this stage, the yellow skittles represent the calcium ions, the yellow Twizzler represents actin, the beans represent the areas in which the myosin head, which is the lollipop, will attach to, and finally the red Twizzler strand represents tropomyosin, which contains troponin on the areas where the calcium ions will attach. In this process, the myosin head will cock back and then attach the actin and pull it towards the center of the sarcomere. It will then release its ADP, which is the green and purple skittles, and receive an ATP molecule and turn it into ADP so it can let go of actin. The process repeats with every nerve impulse.
As a result, the actin is pulled toward the center of the sacrum and the muscle contracts. Right after that, when the myosin head lets go of the actin, the muscle relaxes and returns to its original shape.